Right, bus ride.
Yes.
Sorry, bus ride.
Bus
Trains,
ride.
planes.
Half and then maybe a little walk in Grenada.
Yeah. Dental. Get dentist work done.
Yeah.
These are massive strawberries.
I know.
I wonder how much they are. I mean,
think
they're
it's
like,
7 here.
even like, what are those? Tomatoes?
Yeah, those are tomatoes.
Good Lord. Yeah, the produce here is crazy big.
Oh, I'm here.
Oh, it's a school. I bet you.
Oh,
Yeah. This is cool. Well, it's just gonna take a left up here then.
no, see?
Hey, Orange, you glad you're not in Florida? That's pretty. The embassy?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Wow. I feel like that's all blocked. It was on the back side.
And the guy from the cruise. Oh, here we go. We did. I wanted to get a picture and he turned.
He's just scooping up the side here.
Yeah, I got a picture of him there.
Shahid, I assume. Bobbed. I guess it's like the light. You see these?
Right there. But they're called Medusa.
What are those? Oh, there's that shark. The fish underneath them, just chilling. So he's like, let's go out of there. Hey, breakfast time, or lunchtime. Our legs coming to Seville. Found a place for lunch that's open at 1, and it's called Sloppy Joe's. And we see it serves pizza. So it's fun. They have a lot of yummy stuff, including Oscar.
You know what you want to get?
What are you getting?
Okay, taco salad.
Table. Okay, I was wrong. It is a burger. What do you got over there?
Taco salad.
We're filming because we were in a crisis. We on our ticket it says like bus 21.
Bus 21.
So we're looking at these numbers everywhere, and we're over there at 21, way down there, and there's no buses, and our bus leaves in 10 minutes, and we're like, where is this bus? But we see it's this brand, and we asked one of the guys down there,
And he tells us.
he's like, Grenada, yeah, 31, 32, 33. We're like, and then we see the bus right here. So
The bus number.
close call there.
Yeah, we missed our bus.
We made our first international Uber.
Yes.
I'm very proud to put that on my little bucket list. But anyway, yeah, we're about to go to Grenada.
I'm enjoying my life. Thank God.
It's so tiny. I don't know, it's in my back of like downtown, whatever this is. Where to? What? There's like.
Have you out of my thing?
Well,
so I
I need you in my shop. Oh God.
Wow, this is
doors.
small balcony.
Of the size of the balcony, but we got 2 bedrooms. His and literally downtown. Hello, whatever this is. This is like your heaven. Let's check out this one.
They definitely left like all the
little bit average. What was that?
Like a
chicken wing?
Like chicken flat thigh.
Chicken thigh.
Yeah, I had a sangria, which was good though.
Okay, sangria was good. Okay.
Ow.
He's so old. He's got like fuzzy. I don't know where my wife went. Oh wait, there she is, in the hallway, with the best Wi-Fi signal.
I lost the bar.
He lost the bar of Wi-Fi. Oh boy.
Help! I've lost my husband.
Ayuda, he perdido a mi marido.